We're diving into professional photo editing techniques in Adobe Photoshop. Start with basics. Tweak brightness, contrast, exposure for sharp, clear photo. Use adjustment layers to tweak brightness/contrast. Adjust sliders for balance. Next, color correction. Use hue/saturation to make colors pop. Individually tweak colors. Make blues vibrant, tone down reds. Once basic adjustments are done, begin retouching. Use spot healing brush tool for blemishes, clone stamp tool for gaps. For sharpening, select filter, then sharpen, unsharp mask. Adjust sharpening sliders. Maintain subtlety to avoid noise. Add flare with effects. Soft vignettes focus attention. Use Gaussian blur on background for depth. Experiment with gradient mask for unique coloring effects. Before finishing, zoom in and check for imperfections. Satisfied with results? Export via File Export. Choose appropriate resolution and format for social media or printing. With these steps, enhance photos, fixing flaws for professional edge. Enjoyed the tutorial? Like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.